Victoria Jubilee Hospital is a maternal hospital. The hospital was built in 1891 and opened to the public on May 9, 1892 with 12 beds and a small staff. At the time, the hospital was called Victoria Jubilee Lying-in Hospital, named in honor of Queen Victoria of Great Britain. The name later changed to Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Through the years, various expansion projects took place which resulted in additional beds and new administration offices. Nowadays, Victoria Jubilee Hospital is the largest maternity hospital in the English-speaking Caribbean with over 240 beds. As a maternal hospital, the patients are only pregnant women and their babies. The hospital experiences the delivery of about 8,000 babies each year. Services offered at the hospital are antenatal care, also called pregnancy care, postnatal care, gynecology, family planning, adolescent health and medicine.